tell grandmother it's hailing over here. We're getting some hail now. So now I got to try to just figure it out. I'm finna see how big it gets. So I'm finna show y'all what it's doing so y'all can see it. Always. I feel like that's always. It's just a choice. Woo! Yeah. Oklahoma living. Oklahoma's a good place to live, man. Only thing I would say about Oklahoma is probably the tornado season. Because even though I'm from Oklahoma, even though I'm from Oklahoma, even though I've heard my share of tornado sirens and seen my share of tornadoes, well, you can never get used to that. You know what I mean? I don't really think you could ever get used to the sound of tornado sirens, and just to see the kind of destruction that tornadoes can make. And then when you do see them, you can just imagine a whole neighborhood with kids playing and you know, everybody just living their own separate life. But when a tornado comes through, it kind of just give you the reality of how powerless we really are as humans against nature. Because nature really don't care about babies or old people or any of that. Because it does what it wants to do. So I guess that's kind of something I always say about Oklahoma. Or not just Oklahoma, anybody living in the tornado alley. Is that, you know, tornadoes can shake you up. You know, you could be sitting in the house chilling, relaxing, and the next thing you know, you hear, you know what I mean? And to me, it's just something you can never really get used to. But other than that, I love Oklahoma City. It's just that tornado thing that throws me. I can deal with the ice storms, always the crazy how it can go from hot to cold or cold to hot in a matter of days. But it's that something about them big old tornadoes that just I don't like at all. So I always try to just keep my composure. And if I ever got a chance, I would probably leave Oklahoma City just because of the tornadoes. Because even though they're only like 3 or 4 months out of the year, but those 3 or 4 months can be long, especially if they're real active. Because actually, to me, this year hasn't really been that bad, but those last couple of years, I mean, and I remember a couple of years ago, probably about, no, I'd say more like 3 or 4 years, is when I think we had a tornado